I would just like to point out the fact that he was able to drift around the pothole is amazing. Who do you know that can drift around a pothole while doing a burnout into an amazing parking job?
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? I'm gonna let you guys know today, I have like zero motivation today, like zero. Woke up about 6:40, now I'm headed to work. And I've got no motivation today, you know? Normally I get on here and I'm like, man, let's get this bread, blah, blah, blah. And we're still gonna do that. But just know that in the back of my mind, I'm like, today ain't it, you know? I got no big plans for today, nothing exciting going on, but we're gonna make something happen. Because that's what we do. We find a way to be successful. Daily vlog, daily bread, number 18. Let's get it.
Day 2, no popcorn machine. This is, I stress the importance. Times are getting tough. No popcorn right now. What are we supposed to do? What are we supposed to do? So with no popcorn, I had 75 cents blowing a hole in my pocket, so I got some Famous Amos cookies. But I want you guys to do a little bit of research for me, if you will, some of you guys in the comments. We did some research yesterday and I found that popcorn is actually a fruit. So, yes, you heard me right. Popcorn is a fruit. Please search that. Leave me what you find in the comments and we'll debate. Popcorn is a fruit. We found that out yesterday, didn't we, Jake? Popcorn's a fruit.
Popcorn is a fruit.
There you go. Let me know.
Braden's like, oh my God, we need to get a new fan. That thing's all messed up. I'm like, believe it or not, it's the way it's supposed to be. No, it looked like it's bent.
Is that really how it's supposed to be?
Yeah, it's designed to pull air. So it's like a man with 2 legs. Or a little man
It's time to...
with a big fan belly.
Oh, I see it. Right there.
Yeah, that's the head. Arms.
He blows.
Yeah.
Or he sucks in a lot.
Sucks.
I think it's like 9:30. 9:31. And I'm already eating my lunch, but damn, that shit is good. So guys, what are we doing?
Custom boot. Custom boot.
Let me see. Bean spray painted his boot, or Jake's boot.
Nah, hold on, I gotta touch it up. Put that motherfucker back over here. Don't spray paint her.
Touch it up. We're at the barber shop. I'm gonna go T. I bet you can hit the T. On the R.
It's crooked.
Boy got off work early today. What? That's new. I don't know what we're gonna wait. I've got an idea. Man, I ain't seen the boys at the tent shop in a hot minute. Oh! For those of you that don't know, what?
I was gonna say I can do a burnout for you out here.
Yeah, we're gonna do a burnout. Let's do a burnout. For those of you that don't know, this is the tent shop that some of you may remember. I used to edit all my videos over here. We've gotten into some trouble over here and done some pretty awesome things. My boys Zach and Cody, they do have a YouTube channel, Street Life of Zach and Cody. So y'all better go subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm gonna kick them in the ass and make sure that they make another video soon. They both drive drift cars, so it's always a good time to come over here. And they're gonna be, once this coronavirus stuff is done and over with, they're gonna be in the videos a lot more. They used to be in almost every video, because like I said, I was over here filming and editing all the time. So Zach's gonna rip us a fat little burnout real quick before we head out. Hell yeah! And Zach also said, I've got you on camera. Zach's gonna take me drifting in his S13. We're gonna go drifting one day, so y'all stay tuned for that. My first time drifting. I've never been drifting before in my life. I'm telling you, once this coronavirus stuff is done, y'all will really get great content. I've been stuck at the house and I've been stuck at work, but as soon as this is done, I'm telling you, it's gonna get crazy. were kicking rocks at me. I hope you guys understand the kind of content that we bring to this channel. Y'all don't understand, we get this bread. We get this bread. I'll make sure to like, make sure you subscribe. Come back tomorrow, 8 o'clock. I'll see you guys then. As always, let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.